Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
UNaledi Chirwa we-EFF ubhale kanje: Data must not be lazy and ride on the easiest ticket to hide government failure. These are people's livelihood. Do things the right way. Maintain law and order. We agree and have been at the forefront of that through our MMC, Dr. Mgcini Ntswako, but also fix systematic inefficiencies. I-organization abathi Siri kanye ne-EFF bathathe i-City of Johannesburg bayise enkantolo ngodaba lokukhishwa kokususwa kwalabantu abebethengisa lapha emgwaqweni eJohannesburg. Kwivideo edlule ngikucaphunela ivideo lapho khona kuvela ubhuti wacacisa ukuthi abaqala ukubhekana nenkinga enje. Bake bazama ukubasusa balusa udaba enkantolo, yathi inkantolo ababatholele enye indawo, bangabasusi nje kuphela, ababatholele enye indawo ukuze bekwazi ukubabeka khona. Ngaleso sizathu behluleka-ke ngoba bengakaze bayithole indawo. Okunye futhi labantu abathengisa emgwaqweni abakhala ngakho abazange banikezwe ngisho inothisi yokuthi ngosuku oluthize kuzofuneka nisuke, kodwa nje uvele nje i-City of Joburg yadecide ukuthi ngcono ibasuse labantu. Siyazi ukuthi kuzi-G20, so bafuna ukuthi makufika labantu abazobe bevela emazweni angaphandle bafike kube sengathi eSouth Africa kuclean eJohannesburg, ngathi yonke into ihamba kahle. Iyona nje inhloso yabo enkulu. Kwase kuba khona ke ukushayisana. Siyazi ke ukuthi abantu abaningi nawuyibona abadominator lapha ekuthengiswa khona kuma-informal, abangama-informal trader abasibaba la eSouth Africa, kodwa bakhona abantu bala eSouth Africa. Okusho ukuthi lokho kwenziwa i-City of Johannesburg akuzuku-affecta kuphela laba sithi bangama-foreigner, kodwa kuzo-affecta ngisho nabantu bala eSouth Africa. Nayi-ke iphathi efika ibe buhlungu. Nanokuthi uma bebefuna ukwenza izinto kahle ngendlela, bebekufuneka bona baye kubantu bakhulume nabo, babazise ukuthi ngaluphi usuku kuzokwenzakalani. Okwesibili, ba-verify ukuthi labantu abalapha ngempela bonke abanawo na ama-trading license na. Ngizokucaphunela-ke amavidiyo ambalwa bese ngikucaphunela ividiyo kabhuti o-represent i-EFF ozochaza kungani bathathe lolu daba balise enkantolo. Kungcono yazi into uyizwele yona ishuwo abanikazi bayo ngoba thina sivele siconclude ngendlela yethu. Omunye uvela athi hayi i-EFF siyazi ukuthi ivele isupport ama-foreigners, kodwa ungazange walalela udaba. How about labantu abangabala eSouth Africa abadayisa umbila lapha, abadayisa iy'nkukhu, abadayisa noma yini abangase bayidayise ukuze kuphile imindeni yabo? Kufuneka sikucabange nalokho. Yingakho kungafanelanga sijumpe into conclusions. Kufuna siluzwe kahle udaba lonke. Ngizokucaphunela naye uTata Marere uzwe ukuthi uthini. Okwamanje ngicela uzwe la.
You want to tell us what happened to you? Are you South African?
Yeah, I'm South African.
You were born in
But
South Africa?
I don't know talking for English. I want to talk in Changana because I'm
Okay,
suffering.
speak.
I didn't go in the school, but me, I like my son, my baby. You go in the school. Me, no husband, no mama, no father. Me, I'm family and my baby for me. Now you telling me, say move here, mama. I selling where? I give you where money for going to school. That baby. She starting scraping for grade 12. She didn't scraping nice because she's worried. Mama no working. If I'm working, no short or something. Because everything I know I can do something and do something. You can pay how much in the school there and the less. I paying there. You want to money? Me, I find that way money. Because no money, even rent, I renting. Eh? Why government you do like this? Me, I'm South African. I'm coming from Guyana, Malamle.
No, for online,
Eh?
I can put my ID online.
But it's not nice like this.
But if you
If you want to check for foreigner, you must checking, going, line, checking nice. You take about tellers and give you notice. You must go. Why all? Now I'm hungry. I find that only 20 rand they coming here. You can go here. Say no money in another one. You can go there.
Thank you very much.
Engabuza umama lo esho ukuthi ngalokudayisa lapha emgwaqweni ufundisa ngisho izingane zakhe ziyaphazamiseka nale biometric nje yaphazamiseka ngoba icabanga uma wayo. Awucabangeke kulesimo esiphila kuso la eSouth Africa yethu ekhululekileyo kodwa ene-unemployment ephezulu. Ukuthi labantu abebondla imindeni yabo ufuna benze njani? Umama lo ngala eSouth Africa, le Giyani. iGiyani phela la eSouth Africa. Ngifisa ukucaphunela omunye futhi umuntu uzwe.
Are you a trader, Mama? Are you South African?
Yes, I am.
Tell us what happened to you.
Can I speak with my language?
Yes, go.
Okay. Into eyenzakele earlier this month bazile basivalela last trader khona bathi singasadayisi. Until now they never open and we are struggling at home. There is no food. Kids they don't have milk. They don't have milk. They don't have pampers. And this thing is affecting us because even if you are looking for a job, there's no jobs outside there. And then we are trying to do something for ourselves so we can feed our family. They are saying we are foreigners. That's why they took us that side that we must go. I am not a foreigner. My name is Mbalenhle Ngubane. I'm from KZN, Empangen. So which kind of a foreigner is from a KZN, Empangen, is using the same name of Ngubane? Is it true? There's no such thing like that. So I'm just asking the government, can you please plead with us? We South African, we didn't do you anything. Just allow us to go back to our stand. Let us trade. You said we must go and verify our permits. We went to verify our permits. So what else should we do? We came with our ID, we came with our permits, we came with our smart cards. So I don't understand what is going on anymore. Our kids, they are hungry. As I'm talking to you, my child yesterday, when he was sleeping, he didn't wear any pampers. Do you know what I put on my child? A towel. A 1-year-old child. He does not even have food. I use sugar with water and give him to drink. Because what should I do? I'm a single parent. I'm trying for my child, but government is chasing us away. You say we are foreigners. I am not a foreigner. I'm gonna repeat. My name is Mbalenhle Ngubane from KZN, Empangen. Unfortunately, I didn't hold my ID, but I can even say my ID to you, my ID number, so you can know who I am. Can you please, government, leave this thing you're doing to us, because as South African, this thing is also affecting us. As a government, like somebody is a mother, there is a father. As a father, as a mother, you are seeing other kids, they are suffering, how they are feeling. They are calling us foreigners, but they verify us. They even call Home Affairs for us. Home Affairs came and see us, we are not foreigners. But I don't know what is their excuse now. I don't really know. They want us to go and steal, I don't know.
Okay, the audience wants to know, can you speak Zulu?
Yebo, ngiyakhuluma isiZulu. Igama lami nguMbalenhle Ngubane. Just ukuthi sengijwayela ngisho mawuhlala edrobheni ukuthi ukwazi ukukhuluma nabanye abantu kumele ukuthi ukhulume isiLungu. Igama lami nguMbalenhle Ngubane. I'm a Zulu girl from Empangen, eNgwelezane. Speak Zulu, I can speak Sotho, I can speak Tsonga, I can speak Changani. Like there's many languages I can speak.
I just want to say, is there confusion between our local black people that are misconstruing or misunderstanding that some of our local people are, and they take them as foreigners? Are you one of those victims, am I right?
Yes, I am.
Is there a lot of guys that are experiencing the same thing?
Yes, they are behind there. Like as my sisters they are here, we are 4. We are also experiencing the same thing, and we are also trading the same place. As I'm talking to you now, we are also suffering. The whole house is suffering because of this.
So how do we circumvent this? How do we bring the unity? Because we need unity with this in the country.
Me, what I'm thinking, for my own view, I was thinking that the government, they should go back where they chase us. They tell us we must go back and trade. and come with the Home Affairs and verify everybody there. So they'll be able to know who's a foreigner, who's not a foreigner, who's here illegally and who's here not who does not have a papers. Because now they are taking us like now, people like from that side, they are busy insulting us that foreigners, it means you guys, you must fuck off and go back to your countries. And then we are busy telling them, this is our country. This is our country. I was born here, kusekhaya la ngiyephi ngihambe ngiye kwamanye amazwe ngiyeke ikhaya lami ngoba nina nithi xosha ama-foreigner bese ngixosha nathi futhi ngoba kwenze njani.
So it's obviously causing confusion.
Yes.
And the gentleman that walked past, he said, go back to your country, but he doesn't understand that you're a local.
Do you have an ID?
Yes, I do have an ID, but I don't have it. But I can look for my ID in my phone now and show you the ID, the photo of the ID.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you find it for us?
Thank you.
Okay.
You can be talking to Mami and then I can find it.
Mami.
Njengobuzwa abantu bezikhulumela bona. Abala eSouth Africa ngibacaphunile. Bakhona bangaphandle, abanye bako Nigeria, abanye bako Zimbabwe. Ebe ngibacaphunile kwivideo edlulile. Ebebeshola bona ukuthi cha abatshontsheli umuntu. Kodwa bazizamela indlela yokuphila. Angikholwa ukuthi icala lelo. As long as nabo bezohlonipha ama-bylaws. Nazi nje into eshiwoyo. Futhi nalento yokuthi kuthiwe indawo le yama-South Africans akubekwa abantu base-South Africa. Wayishiwo manje mase sekusondele G20. Wayishiwo manje ngoba sekusondele ama-elections. Sonke lesikhathi beyingashiwo ngani. Kufuneka sibheke izinto lezi ngoba bakhona abantu abasenza ithuba leli ezi-campaigning tool. Hayi ngoba belungisa isimo kodwa bayazi ukuthi abantu base-South Africa ba-frustrated ngenxa yodaba lama-illegal immigrants. So ngaleso sizathu basebenzisa lokhu kuze kubonakale sengathi bona bayasebenza. Bafuna lokho. Yingakho ngithi funeka lo daba silibhekisise kahle. Kodwa singasebenzisi ama-emotions. Asike ingqondo yethu nje siphelezele masilalela lo daba sizokwazi ukwenzakalana. Asiphinde sicaphune enye video.
It was a long day. I'm encouraged by the fact that the court did allow for both parties to engage and try to negotiate to make it easier for the courts to arrive at the decision. It was a positive indication. However, unfortunately, the two parties could not get to a conclusion, which therefore forced the court to push us for Monday, so that then the matter can now be debated in court, when in fact the court had given us an opportunity to negotiate. But the court has also went further to note that part of what we had also raised was mediation, so that we get a mediator to help us. Because there are two issues here, basically. One is the issues of trade in terms of SMMEs or street traders, which both parties agree that it's an important part because it contributes to economic growth, it contributes to job creation and all sorts of issues. Secondly, it's a matter of cleanliness, safeguarding the city and creating a safe environment by ensuring by law enforcement. So both parties agree to that part, and that is why we thought through mediation we'll be able to deal with those matters. The city had proposed and made a commitment to go through a process of verification, because it's very important to confirm that indeed whoever is claiming here to have been trading, we need to confirm whether the person is eligible, is the person a South African citizen, if not, is a asylum seeker, does the law allow him to be on that space? So that process was supposed to then start with immediate effect from tomorrow, but unfortunately, because we have not reached an agreement, it has been put on hold until we meet again on Monday here in this court.
Usho ukuthi imeya ivele yakhipha abantu kuyisithi ingaverifyanga. Iprocess sekufuneka iqale kodwa iqala lapho sebebamisile khona abantu. Kuyawakha nomqondo kuwe nje mawukulalela. So angisoli mina iSiri kanye neEFF uma bethi njengoba eshilo naledi chirwa kwi-post engiqale ngayo ukuthi udada kenza izinto ngendlela. angenzi izinto esephuthuma. Siyazi ukuthi into ebalulekile kuye i-G20 ngoba bafuna ama-investors, bafuna ama-investments zobe khona amazwe omhlaba. Kodwa akenziwe izinto ngendlela. Futhi nalento ukuthi ijozi liklinwe manje ngoba kuze i-G20 sihlezi siphila khona lapha ya kungcolile, siyazi thina kungcolile. Why fanele kube clean manje ngoba sekuza abantu sekuzivakashi? Why bebengaklini ngonyaka ophelile kungezi umuntu? Kuthi nje kube clean indawo ibe right. Futhi mina into engiphatha kabi ile ukuthi wasitshela thina udada wathi yena uzoprioritize imigwaqo ye-G20. Yona engeze kuba nama-pothole, yona ama-street light azobe sebenza kuyo. Le minye sizozibona. Angakukhohlwa lokho. Ingakho-ke ngithele lolu daba mase ngilalelisile ngathi angilicaphune kahle ukuze nawe ube ne-information ephelele neyiyo ukuthi kahle kahle kuyikona okwenzakalayo ikuphi. Ngizokucaphunela ivideo yakhe-ke udade ekhuluma nomphakathi emveni kwalapho bese ngicaphuna ivideo yobhuti lo EFF ozochaza ukuthi isizathu okuyisona sona senza ukuthi babambisane neSiri bayovula icala isiphi. Ngiyafisa ukuthi ngizoqala ngalo EFF. Ngizoqala ngalo EFF. Ibalekile lento eshiwoyo ngoba zizokuvezela ukuthi noma kuthiwa kuyalungiswa kodwa hayi ngendlela okwenziwa ngayo. Cela uzwe la.
Why is the EFF here today in this particular court case?
Thank you very much, and greetings to the listeners. My name is Avi, I'm the chairperson of the EFF in Region F. The EFF started this program from last year, where we're ensuring that we are enforcing bylaws within the city to ensure that people are trading where they are demarcated to trade. But what we've seen is that recently that ANC has hijacked this program as part of their electioning program to try and victimize and harass the street traders, even when they are in a right demarcated area. You will remember that one of the things we're fighting for is that one of the things we're talking about was that the city, since 2013, has not issued permits to any of the traders. So what JPC was doing, they would send to these traders monthly statements asking them to pay, but there were never any instance where they've issued trading permits to them. Then they just wake up one morning at 4 o'clock and just say everyone out without any notice, without engaging in a human way to say, no, let's have engagement and let's try and have a solution to the problem at hand. So we just felt that we came in here to listen, to observe the proceeding of the case, but also it must be checked that the narrative that these are illegal foreigners only is wrong. There are mothers here who are South Africans who've been selling in the streets. It's not only De Villiers, in Plain Streets, in everywhere. There are mothers here who've been selling since 20 years, who have children who are in university now, who are working through the work they're doing in the streets. So we felt it's unfair, the process of just waking up and just taking those people and then saying they must go. It's unfair. We are humans. Let's have a proper way. Let's have people in a demarcated way. You'll remember also that the Dr. Mtulitau has been enforcing that trade has been a right place to trade. But not just wake up in the morning and just set everyone out with no proper procedure or proper communication. Right now, since the 2nd of October when this thing has started how many permits have they issued? It means that they are not treating this thing with agents. So we're just here to say that let's not use people's lives to election. Let's not use people's livelihood to election. But also let's erase the narrative that these are illegal foreigners. If they're illegal foreigners, they are all here. Why can't ANC call Home Affairs and police to come and arrest them? It's because they know that the narrative they're giving the people is not correct. Rather, they're using this time and the lives of the people to come and election.
Do you think they're doing this for G20?
They're doing for G20, not for G20, for 2026 elections. Also, Tata is doing that because it's going to conference as well this year in December. So it's part of election, and hence we don't see the other camp of Loiso Masuku here. They are using their camp to show that the mayor has been working. All their term has been characterized by non-service delivery. We haven't been having water in the city for the past. We only have water once a month, and we told you there's maintenance and rain water and all those things. Picking it up is not picking up rubbish, but they're saying they're cleaning the city. So now they are trying to redeem themselves as they're going to conference and also for 2026. Of course, G20 is part of their program as well to ensure that they're giving the world a view of what.
Hlungu kalendo oyizwayo ukuthi kusuka ngo-2013 awekho ama-permits akaphuma from the city of Johannesburg. Awungitshela ke ulambile wena namhlanje. Usa-applyela ulinda ipermit. Njengoba sekuphele 12 years. 12 years bengakaze bephendule. Kufuneka usonge izandla uhlale ngoba bona bakayikhipha ipermit. Futhi siyazi izinto zala eSouth Africa ihamba nomshikashika. Ukuze kuphume ipermit mhlambe befuna kufakwa imali ngoba yona into eyenzekayo. So abantu bathe ipermit izosithola ngandlela sibesidayisa ngoba ekugcineni kosuku sinemndeni esibhekile. Yingakho ngithi emveni kokulalela kahle lo daba ngeke ngabona ukuthi isitha eba notifyanga abantu. 2 usholo yena uTata Marere ukuthi inabe ezoqala iprocess yokuverify ababa verifyile abantu. Angifuni nje nokuyibala indaba ukuthi abantu uthi laba trader khona kufanele uma wena ungawakhipha ama permits bazokwazi kanjani. So iANC ayingadlali ngeimpilo zabantu. Ayingadlali ngeimpilo zabantu. Ngiyakwazi mina ukuthengisa emgwaqweni. Ngiyakwazi kunjani. Ngiyazi ukuthi futhi abantu base South Africa akekho umuntu abambukela phansi njengomuntu othengisa emgwaqweni. Yingakho kulula uku-assume ukuthi wonke umuntu othengisa emgwaqweni illegal immigrant. Ngiyazi. Ngakuzama impilo ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ngake ngathengisa nami emgwaqweni. Ngake ngathengisa door to door. So ngiyazazi khona izinto engizaziyo kahle. Ngiyabaza abantu base South Africa bakutreata kanjani. Uma umuntu othengisa emgwaqweni awulutho kubo. Ngoba kubantu base South Africa usuke uhlupheka ukwedlula wonke umuntu ophilayo uma uthengisa emgwaqweni. So ibhlungu ke lento eyenzekayo ngoba iaffect impilo zabantu. If umuntu uyiforeigner ula ngokomthetho angiliboni mina icala uma ethengisa ngoba abantu bala eSouth Africa abazimisela ukuthengisa. Bakhona abathengisa abaphushwa isimo. Ngifisa ukuqaphele lokho. Bambalwa abantu base Johannesburg abazalelwe eGoli bakhulela khona okuyibona abathengisa emgwaqweni bambalwa. Iningi labo suka emakhaya njengalosisi kaDumuza uthi usuka eMpangeni, usuka eGiyani lo mama. Ingoba mayifika la eGoli funeka rent, funeka yonke into ibheke yena. Akho into azoyenza ukuze survive. Yamphoqa isimo ukuthi akathengise. Yingakho ke mina ngesingami ngingalibona icala even if umuntu uyiforeigner uma ngoba ukuthengisa kulula kabi. Uyahamba uyothenga lapha uwenza imarkup yakho na uyathengisa. Akekho umuntu okuvimbayo. Kodwa ke kunama challenges wakhona. Angecaphunela uDada uze ukuthi uthene nabese siyayivala ivideo kodwa ngikubone kubalulekile ukuthi asilikhulume lolu daba. Selikhulume futhi ngendlela eyiyo ukuthi iCity of Johannesburg ayilihandlishanga kahle udaba. Ngeke abantu uthi uzoba verify so ubasusile. Ngeke ukuthi abantu uzoba verify uzofuna ama permits ekubena ama permits ungakazi wakhiphe from 2013. Akuwakho umqondo lonto le.
Siri ba negotiate a settlement. Rena really city ra re ko bona he. Re kopa in the next 14 days re verify legitimate traders. Re etse show ra tseba ke mang o leng teng. Ra re tla etsa in 14 days. Ra re ho tlogela mo re batla re bao ba run ba verifyiwe gantle ba qualifier ka re qualification criteria e re tshwanetse o be mo South Africa ka tswa wale he ra re ho bona re tla ba verify me he Siri le di lawyer tsa bona ba e gana taba eo. Jwale gwa qetella hore se si forced manje ukuthi sibuyele enkantolo ngoba asizwani ngama negotiation between the two parties. Wathi ke umantshi noma ijudge sibuye ngomsombuluko ngo 10 o'clock sizoxoxa le ndaba le. manje ke naku okuzokwenzakala sithi kini ningadinwa siyavuka futhi Monday siyeza la ngoba into esiletha la ukuthi sisonke la siyalithanda idolobha lethu sifuna idolobha lethu li-clean futhi ke sifuna ukusupporta nama small business siwasupporte kahle sibayenzele ama program ukuthi bathuthuke nabo kodwa ngeke sivume ukuthi sidelelwe endaweni yethu sicela abantu nabo basihloniphe njengohulumeni babuye basihloniphe njengabahlali base South Africa so silapho ke ngendaba so Monday siyabuya sizawuqeda kahle udaba on Monday la enkantolo savumelana futhi ukuthi ngoba siyohlangana Monday akunamuntu ozawubuyela edunuzi until siqeda naye uManti but ngantshela for free ukuthi thina singama South African sithi siyalihlini idorobha lethu ayikho inkantolo ezosibuyisela emuva siyalwa siyamhlonipha ujaji siyawahlonipha amajaji ase South Africa wonke kodwa kule yokuthi siyeke idorobho lethu limosheke anyeke sivume asambeni ke siyene emakhaya Sunday sivuke siye esontweni sothanda ukuthi uManti makafika esitulweni avumelane nathi
yona nkulumo ke le eshuwo umeya waseJohannesburg uTata Marero ekhuluma ngaphandle kwasenkantolo khuluma nomphakathi so sizozwa ke Monday kodwa nje bengithi angikulethele udaba lulonke uzwe ukuthi kahle konakelephi cela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho ngiyazi ukuthi bakhona abazondi EFF futhi ngiyazi ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi ayenzi kahle kodwa kulokho ayingemi ngakuyo ngoba akekho umuntu ofuneka ahlukumezeke akufanelanga umuntu ahlukumezeke ngenxa yokufeyila ka-government akufanele uma labantu bagcina ukukhipha ama-permit ngo-2013 yimuphi umuntu okuzothi une-permit manje imuphi okuzothi unayo futhi ake sithi abantu bebefuna ukulandela umthetho balinde bebeyithola emveni wesikhathi esingakanani leyo permit ngabe impilo ayiqho ngabe impilo imile kubo siyavuma sonke ijob ekufuneka ibe clean futhi izinto zenziwe ngendlela kodwa nabo uma belenza libe clean abenza izinto ngendlela efanele so yazi kule video ngiyareporta kakhulu ngabantu abangama illegal immigrants futhi kakhulukazi ngezinto ezimbi abazenzayo kodwa kufanelanga sikhuluma okungesikho akekho umuntu othengisa emgwaqweni noma ngathi uyi-foreigner okuhlukumezile uma ngizwa abanye bethi basithengisela ukudla okubolile nokudala hayi akusilona iqiniso ukudla bahamba bayokuthenga emakethe babuye bakubeke lapha futhi uyazikhethela wena uma wena ubona ukuthi hayi nawa amazambane bawabiza u3 uyawafuna uyawathenga wena awuwathengi esesakeni ungaliboni uyazibonela wena uma ke uthenge wena amadala wena okhetha ukuthenga amadala asibambe le video ngicela ukuzophawula kwakho ngalokho mina nawe sidibana kwi video elandelayo ngiyabonga